Well, it's been a while since I've been able to get out. It's been raining and just awful out. And so today I'm going to go down this thing which is a minimal maintenance road. It's just a little cow path basically. I've been down this thing before. And I'm going to fly my drone over a kind of unique area here, which has a, I don't know what it is, if it's a field or what, but it's just a unique shape. So once I get to the top of the hill up ahead there, I'm going to fly off across the area to my left and see if I can't zero in on this thing. It's a really nice day today. It's probably 65 degrees. We've been experiencing a lot of wind. It's been really windy and cold, and it's finally nice just to have a day where I can get out and do a little riding around. And luckily this road is not all muddy, so that's also a big plus. I think there's an area here where I can pull off into the field. Like right here, which I will do now. This is what's nice about the guys who pick on trikes like this. You take them down the road like this and you just wave goodbye at them. Okay, so I'm going to launch this thing and see what there is to see.